Lens technology, rooted in Changsha, China, has spent over 3 decades mastering precision manufacturing. Starting from smartphone glass covers, it now pushes into semiconductors and embodied AI. Its latest breakthrough, TGV glass substrates for advanced chip packaging, drilling millions of micro holes without a single blockage, like building a highway on a needle tip.
蓝思科技呢，它是有30多年的这个玻璃的后道加工的这个相关的技术积累和经验，所以呢，就是我们在玻璃基板的这个开发进度上呢，也就会比同行要快很多。下一代呢，就是说围绕着算力里头的这个芯片，那么我们就是构筑了这么以玻璃基板为这个核心的这种半导体封装的最核心的技术。
Meanwhile, its robotics arm produces humanoid robots and quadruped dogs at scale, with an annual capacity of 500,000 units. From aerospace-grade UTG glass verified in space to AI servers and hollow core fiber, Lens technology proves that precision knows no limits.